What's up? This is your boy Alpha Tech, and welcome to another dose of tech. Today we are going to talk about the MF12 flash system, so grab your snack and let's get started. So if you are new here, welcome. I will highly appreciate it if you go and take a second and hit that like and subscribe button down below. Go ahead, I'll wait. So in the box you are greeted with a very nice case, comes with a very nice handle and the dual MF12. So first we're going to take the wrap paper. After that we're going to turn it on and rotate the wheel, and right in here we can see that it comes with a very nice diffuser, USB Type-C to charge. Two cold shoe adapters so you can put it in a table or a light stand, a lot of different color gels, and camera rim adapter with multiple thread size to fit every single lens, and charging cables. So what is the MF12 system? So if you are into product photography, food photography, or macro shots, this is the ideal flash to get. Let me show you. So to connect this to your camera, you will need a flash trigger. In my case, I use the Godox X2T trigger. And to connect, it is very simple. By pressing the menu button, so right in here, and scrolling down and selecting the desired channel. You can click select. You can have all the channels here. In my case, I have 7. And then selecting your ID as well. So it is very simple, and that's all. And with this, you can also select different modes. You can have like the manual mode, or TTL as well. In my case, I just use manual mode. And then what you do is you go to the trigger and you select the same group that you select on the flash. So what you do is you go into the menu system, or in my case I have these little buttons right here on the top. So by pressing that, I can then go ahead and select the power I could choose for my flash. So for example, right here I have half the power, and then just to test it that it works, you just press this button right here and it works. It's very simple and intuitive. Also with the X2 trigger, I am able to control the power of the flash with a scrolling wheel and control both of them at once or use them independently. I am also able to turn the spotlight that is built into the FS system just simple by holding down the light here. So as you can see, it turned on. And then to turn the light off, I just press here and it turns off just by holding the menu button in my X2 trigger. Also, with these, you can use the spotlight as like a background light, or as even as a hair light. Also, you can control the power of that spotlight. So by hitting this button here where I have the light, you see that you have number 1, which is the lower brightness. You can increase the brightness all the way up to 10 being the max, so in a 10% increment. And then to bring the power light down, just like that. So on with this button, and on and off. Very simple and intuitive way. So for battery, so So how long the battery lasts in this little system? For battery, I was able to use the MF12 for about 3 hours, and the status bar will still have like about like 33% left, so it will have plenty of juice. So if you're doing day-to-day for your work, this is not going to replace flash. This is just more for like full photography and macro shot, and you can even use it for different other purposes, like I said, hair light. You can also use it for as a background, just put different gels with different colors. And here are some of the shots that I was able to obtain using the MF12. So what are the cons? I do not see any con with this flash system. It is very simple, bright, and very intuitive. The only thing I wish they would include is that instead of using this kind of system right here, that when you take it off, you have to put all these little gels in there, and it's very just hard to, like, you don't even want to do it as many times. You just want to put one of them and then just stick to that color. I wish they would include the same thing as the V1 or the 100 Pro, where it would be magnetic, and that would be a lot easier than using this type of system. It is cool, and I mean, if you set it up beforehand, but in my opinion, Godox already has put magnetic system into their flashes, so why not put it into this one? Other than that, this is amazing. I'm able to take so many macro shots like I have never been able to take before. Full photography just looks so much better, and be able to control this flash wirelessly from my trigger, it's just amazing. So that is all. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that like and smash that subscribe button, since it helps my channel grow. I am MF12, and I'll see you in the next one.